Hi there, welcome to MELI's English learning videos. Our lesson for today is how to differentiate two similar and confusing words, advise and advice. So, let's begin. Advise is a verb which means to recommend something to someone or to give information. It is pronounced as advise. You can repeat after me. Advise, advise, advise. For example, number 1, she needs someone to advise her. Number 2, the doctor advised us not to eat junk food. On the other hand, advise is a noun, which means an opinion about someone or something or a recommendation. It is pronounced as advise. Repeat after me. Advise, advise, advise. For example, number 1, Salah gave me a piece of advice. Number 2, if you need any advice, call the main office. So, let's recap our today's lesson. Today, we've studied the difference between two confusing words, advise and advice. Advise is a verb, while advice is a noun. Thanks for watching.